once again, welcome to our Nowsite overview presentation. Everybody meet Lisa. You can feel free to say hi to Lisa here in the chat. Lisa is an independent business owner, probably like most of you here. And Lisa knows that 62% of customers are generated online. So what does Lisa do? She goes online and she searches how to get started marketing online, and a bunch of results come up. And there is a lot of confusion, right? Should I get started with this web builder? Should I get started with this email campaign? Should I get started by posting on social media? How do I connect each and every one of these systems together? I'm just sitting here in the land of confusion. And then Lisa found Nowsite. Nowsite made it easy to market online. And that's what we're here to share with you all today. Our mission is we make it easy for independent business owners to market online. This is a frustration-free zone. All the tools you need in one place, simple and easy to use, trusted by 25,000 business owners. We make building websites with us easy. You get started, you tell us a bit about your business, and we will give you a template that you can edit at any time, creating beautiful websites and creating as many websites as you'd like with us here at Nowsite. If it's a website that you want to make, create it. If it's a funnel that you want to make, you are more than welcome to create that website with us. We also make email marketing easy. It's all integrated and in the exact same system. So if you want to send out a newsletter, a broadcast, or a campaign, you can do that with us here at Nowsite using our simple drag and drop email builder. If you wanted to put a video in that campaign, you could do it button, large image, but you can send out your email campaign simply and easily with us here at Nowsite. We also make social marketing easy. If you want to post on social media and generate content to post on social media, we make sure that you have it every single day, giving you relevant content to your industry and telling you when to post online. And you can post in multiple places using our social marketing feature. We make SMS easy, analytics made easy, blog made easy, SEO made easy, CRM made easy, team management made easy, and much more made easy. All simple, easy to use in one integrated place. And we'll even do it for you. We have SMS specialists, email specialists, website design specialists, advertising specialists, and social media specialists that will even do it all for you if you'd like. This is just an example of some of our pros building websites. So some of the websites that our pros have put out for people just like you that are a part of Nowsite. We even build email campaigns for you. If you need a 1-day series, 2-day series, 10-day series, we will help you build that email campaign and make it look super slick to send out to your audience. SMS campaigns, we can do that as well. Whether it's a drip campaign or a broadcast series, we can help and build that SMS campaign for you. I want to share with you a bit about what our customers are saying.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan 𝗵𝗂 here. So the reason why I love Nowsite so much is because without this platform, I would have had to learn how to market the hard way with all the education and all the strategies, learning how to do that, and wasting a whole bunch of time and money in doing this. With this, I was able to scale 3 businesses online as well as my brand and be successful in all. So I love Nowsite Marketing, and I recommend that you get on it too.
Thank you, Ryan 𝗵𝗂.
Someone recently asked me what I love most about Nowsite. Well, I always say because it's so raw, easy to use. What has it done for me? Well, I now have way more confidence. I can build websites, I can build landing pages, I can write emails, and I feel like a real marketer. I am because I use Nowsite.
Everybody say thank you to Diana. She's here with us tonight.
I've used 4 or 5 of the major website builders, email programs, marketing systems, but since I found Nowsite, I've migrated everything that I have over to Nowsite because I understand it. It's super simple to modify. It gets me results. It's super inexpensive. I just can't say enough good things about Nowsite. It's a program that I'm going to stick with.
Thank you, Jim.
It's Michael Pendleton, the Motivated Marketer. As an experienced online marketer, I know how important it is to have all my marketing tools under one roof. That's why I love Nowsite. Everything I need to market my businesses online is all under one roof. I've been with the company for 3.5 years now, and I'm not going anywhere. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, if you want to market your business successfully, Nowsite is the place to be.
Yay, thank you, Michael Pendleton. So how do you get started with us here at Nowsite? We have a starter plan for just $47 a month. That includes 3 social marketing campaigns, 10 websites that you could build, 15,000 marketing emails, unlimited contacts, and a CRM and analytics. But if you want the unlimited plan, that's our entrepreneur plan at just $87 per month. Unlimited social marketing campaigns, unlimited websites, 15,000 marketing emails, unlimited contacts, CRM, analytics, and team management, and retargeting ads to 250 website visitors. If I were you, I'd make sure to get back to the person that invited me and ask them, hey, do you have a promo code? Because we have something to share with you all tonight where you can save on that unlimited plan for life. So make sure that you get back to the person that invited you after this presentation. And marketing specialist services can be purchased anytime for $40 per 40-minute session. Online marketing doesn't have to be frustrating. Nowsite makes online marketing easy, and Nowsite makes being rewarded easy just for using Nowsite, right? You use Nowsite and grow your business online, you earn rewards dollars. So you receive rewards dollars for every new lead, social post, and more. So what can you do with these rewards dollars that you earn every single day just by using the system? You use your rewards at thousands of top hotels, car rentals, and resorts. Save your Nowsite rewards for the trip of your dreams just by using the system. And you can save on over 500,000 hotels, car rentals, and vacations. Your entire Nowsite subscription can pay for itself in rewards. Nowsite makes earning additional income easy. Instant income is made easy with our quick start bonus. You earn $20 for every new customer you help get started. Dollar volume corresponds to BB points. So that $47 starter plan is 20 BB, and that $87 entrepreneur plan is 35 BB. You can see the annual plan BB here as well. An additional BB points earned on sales of SMS, online advertising, marketing specialist consultation, email, and retargeting ads. So that monthly income is made easy on your level 1 and level 2. Okay, so if you do 50 BB on your level 1 and level 2, you make a monthly income of $50. 100 BB, $100. 200 BB, $200. 400 BB, $400. And we do not cap this portion of our compensation plan. There is additional income opportunities based on the increase in income by your team members, total monthly income of your team members, and overall team sales. So you can make that residual income easy. It's easier than ever before to get started marketing online, be rewarded with free travel, and earn additional monthly income. I told you we would make it short and sweet. Thank you all so much for being here. My name is 𝗕𝗏𝗿𝗄𝗏, VP of Marketing for Nowsite. Let us help you make it easy to market your business online. Make sure that you get back to the person that invited you and ask them, hey, that unlimited plan, do you have a promo code for that? And they can. It's for just a limited time. Thank you so much for being here. Good night, everybody. Bye-bye.